The National Economic Council, chaired by PM Shehbaz Sharif, approved a Rs 3.792 trillion development plan to boost economic growth to 3.6%, including substantial increases in the federal development budget, despite potential IMF scrutiny over bailout negotiations. Facing tough IMF demands for increased taxes and subsidy cuts, the government is set to present its first budget since March, with negotiations ongoing for a larger IMF loan amid efforts to stabilize the economy and reduce inflation. Under pressure from millers, the Pakistani government approved the export of 150,000 tons of sugar, despite high domestic prices and just before the national budget announcement, amid assurances of stable local supply and prices. The US dollar continued to rise in both foreign exchange markets, surpassing Rs 280 in the open market, influenced by ongoing economic uncertainties, expectations of an interest rate cut, and insufficient foreign reserves despite recent engagements with China. The Pakistan Stock Exchange's 100 index fell by 501.46 points, closing at 73,252.56, amid trading of 350.7 million shares worth Rs 10.18 billion, with 241 companies experiencing losses. The Lahore High Court scheduled a hearing for a challenge against the controversial Punjab Defamation Law, recently passed despite significant opposition and concerns from journalists and civil society, alleging it violates multiple constitutional rights. The Pakistan Solar Association expects the 2024-25 budget to include incentives for local solar panel assembly and maintain supportive measures for the existing net metering policy. Influenced by the Supreme Court's advice, incarcerated PTI founder Imran Khan is drafting a letter indicating his willingness to engage in dialogue with political rivals to address Pakistan's economic woes and political instability. 6 people died in a fiery collision on the Islamabad-Lahore motorway when a cement mixer suffering brake failure crashed into a car near Kalar Kahar, according to Express News. The UN Security Council passed a US-drafted resolution, receiving 14 votes in favor with Russia abstaining, mandating a phased ceasefire in Gaza to end the conflict, including hostage releases, troop withdrawals, and large-scale humanitarian aid, followed by a comprehensive reconstruction plan for Gaza. Yemen's Houthis claim to have arrested an American-Israeli spy network, alleging involvement of former US Embassy staff in Yemen days after detaining about a dozen UN personnel. Saudi security forces demonstrated pursuit and capture exercises in Mecca as pilgrims arrived for the 2024 Hajj pilgrimage, the world's largest religious gathering and a significant source of income for Saudi Arabia. Amidst the ongoing T20 World Cup 2024, the Pakistan cricket team is facing internal conflicts and factionalism, with reports of disunity and disputes over captaincy, affecting their performance and placing them on the brink of first-round elimination. South Africa narrowly defeated Bangladesh by 4 runs in a tense T20 World Cup match at Nassau County International Cricket Stadium, New York, with the pitch's suitability again questioned after a low-scoring game. Pakistani rapper Talha Anjum released a fierce diss track Kaun Talha in response to Indian rapper Nazi's dismissive comment, showcasing Anjum's impactful presence in South Asian hip-hop with hard-hitting lyrics and a commanding beat.